Hey, what up everyone, doing eBay box break 136, 1112 titanium. Here's your last name auction off. Alright, good luck to everyone. Special opening there. There's your serial number. There's the 5 packs. Let's see what we got inside these bad boys. Got a jersey for the Senators here, Jason Spezza. Jersey here for the Avalanche, TJ Gagliardi. Oh, we got something thick here. Nice. With the Calgary Flames here, we got a 4-star. Got a standard, a prime, a patch, and a fight strap for the Calgary Flames. Mika Kiprusoff, numbered 6 out of 25. There's a fight strap, patch, standard, and prime. Awesome card. And base. Base. Here we got a titanium reserve auto for the St. Louis Blues, Chris Russell. Decoy base. Nice, here we got a rookie for the Islanders, 35 out of 62 on Anders Nielsen. 35 out of 62, nice. It's a true rookie there. Or is that draft? That might actually, that's a draft position rookie, sorry. And we got another patch here anyway. Oh, the Flames eating it up tonight. For the Calgary Flames, is that a away jersey? Patch, 4 out of 10. Henrik Karlsson. Nice. Well, we've got the Flames there tonight. Congrats, it's pretty sick. Alright, thanks everyone for joining. See you next time.